All right, someone named Casey put in a video that encouraged me to purchase this chair, and then I was disappointed, and I got a hold of customer service, and they were outstanding. So a couple of things that I want to show you on the chair. First off, the LED lights, they only work when you're getting the massage on the sides of the chair. The other thing that I want to mention is when you turn it on, it defaults to this number 4, and the first thing that happens is it goes through a body scan. So once that body scan is done, then you can start making your adjustments. You can change to a different mode by selecting here. And also, the one thing that customer service David told me was that you have to wait until the body scan is completed. Once the body scan is completed, then you come over, and that's when you start hitting these little buttons and it starts activating. The one other thing that he pointed out is when he seen me, I was using my thumb. He told me not to do that. You want to use your fingertips, and you only have to tap it once and it works. And I will tell you, since I purchased the chair, I've been holding my finger on it, tapping it multiple times with no luck. But the difference is, now I know you have to wait until the body scan is completed, and then you're able to get the functions to operate. The body scan is completed. I just heard it beep a couple of times, and now I can click heating. Whoops. Heating, and you see the yellow, it came on. I'll hit 0 gravity. You can hit this too. It has 3 functions: down, low, medium, and then high, so you can keep clicking it until you're comfortable. One other thing that David told me was that when the massage is over, it's going to stay in the up position. To get that down, you just hit this twice, or once the massage is over, you hit it twice, on, off, and then it lets your feet go down. I love this chair. I highly recommend it, and I hope you enjoy yours as much as I'm enjoying this one.